Hello there. So you want to know how you can log in into your Genshin Impact account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and then simply go ahead and search for Genshin Impact. Once you've done that, as you can see, their first site is going to go ahead and pop up, which is going to be genshin.hoyoverse.com. Click on that link right over there. And once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. You can also simply go ahead and download, or you could just head back and then head into your Hoyoverse account down over here in order to go ahead and log in. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search Genshin Impact login, just like that. And then now you're going to click on the first link right over here. Now on the official site, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on login on the top right, and then as you can see it says login with UID or login with Hoyoverse. Simply select on any that you prefer and then simply go ahead and enter your username up top, enter your password on the bottom, and then click on login. You could also go ahead and log in with your Google, Apple, or Facebook and X. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.